Yes, welcome back to today's video. In our previous video, we learned about the interface of the Photoshop, where we talked about the menu bar, the option bar, the toolbar, the layer palette, and other stuff. We talked about the workspace, how to design the workspace, and the rest. Today we are going to talk about how to use the tools in Photoshop. So let's quickly start. So let's get to a new document. Go straight to international paper and select A4. If you click how to select it, you will right click, you will left click on the tool, and the options will come. Then you select the rectangular marquee tool. This is the option. So whatever you do here, this is the options you will select to change whatever you do in the workspace. So we will just draw our rectangle. This is how it is. It is used for selection. So if you draw it and you want to add a shape to it, you just go to this place and you will draw another rectangle. But if you draw the rectangle, the one outside is what will be added to the already shape you have, like this. So if you draw another one here, the one outside is what will be added to the shape. If you draw another one here, the same thing. And then if you want to subtract, if you select this option, if you select, what will come into the box is what will be subtracted from the box, something like this. If you draw it this way, it will come into the box. That is the purpose of the tool. Let me deselect it by pressing the Ctrl sign plus D. And then let me also take you through how it is being used. Let's select an image. Alright, let's select this image. I'm in Ghana, so I like Ghana Jollof. So this image, let us use this as an example. You right click on the shape, you select the rectangular tool. So if you look at this tool, if you want to select something, you just draw the rectangular tool like this, it will select it. Then you go to the move tool. This is the move tool, this arrow. So you click the move tool, you select the move tool, you then select the shape. So if you move it, it will cut it. That's how it is. If you move it, it will cut it. But then let me press Ctrl plus Z to take us back to our previous and then right now too, if I wanted to copy, I will just press the Alt key and then drag and then move the shape. It will copy like this. That's how it is done. But then if you want to cut, I'm going back again. If you want to cut, you not press the Alt key, you will just move it and it will cut. But if you want to copy, you just press the Alt key, and then this two sign will show on the cursor. The cursor will change to two sign. It means you are copying. Then you copy. Very good. Then you copy again. Very good. Then you press the Alt and copy again. That is duplicate. You are duplicating. Okay, we are going back to the other one, the elliptical marquee tool. That one is elliptical marquee. It's a circle. So you draw the shape like this. You leave it. You go to the move tool. You drag the same thing. It will cut. But if you want to copy, you just press the Alt key and then you move it. It will copy. If you want to duplicate it again, you just press the Alt key and it will duplicate. That's how to use the marquee tool. If you want it in circle, you select the elliptical marquee tool. But then if you want it in rectangular, you select the rectangular marquee tool. We are having laser tool. Today start. Let me select the same image so that I'll take you through how to use the laser tool. we have laser tool. The laser tool, the purpose of the laser tool is for selection. So in case you want to select something like this rice, you just trace it. You have to hold the right, you have to right click and hold and then drag. If you leave it, it will stop. Then you drag to where you want to select. You drag it. If you want to select, you drag it to meet the shape and form it will select. So this one too, if you want to move, you go to the move tool and then you will select. You select the laser tool. We have polygonal laser tool. Polygonal laser tool, that one too is for selection, but that one is not round as in the laser tool. The polygonal tool, you just draw it. It is in line shape, so you just select. You just select where you want to select, and then you take the shape, you copy, you move like this. If you want to draw an arrow, you see this is this looks like an arrow, and you move. Let me deselect it. And then we also have magnet tool. The magnet tool is a powerful tool that we use in Photoshop. Let me go back and select. Let me select the rice again. If you want the shape of this meat, the magnet tool, the magnetic laser tool, if you are selecting, it will automatically take the shape. So let's press and see. If you are coming, it is automatically picking up the shape. Automatically picking up the shape. It's a very powerful tool that we used in Photoshop. Automatically picking up the shape. So you just have to be precise, very careful, and know how to use it. You meet. That's it. So if you want to create, you go to the move tool, then you select. If you want to copy, you press the Alt key, then you copy. You press the Alt key, then you copy. That's how the magnetic tool, the laser tool, and then the marquee tool is used for. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be the magic selection tool and the magic one tool, the quick selection tool and magic one tool, and then the crop tool.